Hello guys, welcome back with me. This opportunity I want to unboxing gaming headset Fantech HG13 Shift, and I want to show excellence Fantech gaming headset to you all. The first we're in LED light and has ultra lightweight design. The extended durability cord and has volume control and then has noise cancelling microphone. Fantech Shift Series gaming headset. Shift Series gaming headset was specially designed to produce and clear sound allow you to pinpoint where the battle is just by hearing the gunfire. The step and movement with educational, the microphone designed to ensure target and strategies discussion uh, are delivered to your team with absolute clarity and specially designed headband for balance, weight distribution, and reduce climbing force to maximize comfort during lengthy gaming session. Fantech is the leading manufacturer of prepared for computer gamers. Our product include a range of headset, keyboard, and mousepad, which are developed to serve superior design for more performance, comfort, and durability. Check our watch at www.fantechworld.com. For product support, the Fantech logo and other Fantech marks are honored and registered by transelectronic.co.ltd in several countries. The windows and logo are trademarks of the Microsoft Group companies, and all other trade names and logo and registered trademarks of their respective owner. For commercial inquiries, please visit us on www.tcom.com. Thank you. Silakan di subscribe channel ini. Bah!